हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम करेंगे गणिता मंजरी क्लास 9 एक्सरसाइज सेट 3.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में शो दैट करना है LHS साइड इक्वल टू RHS साइड. So we write here, we already write here 1/2 plus 3/4 into 8/3, and this is RHS side. Firstly we solve the bracket. We take the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, because 4 is already divisible by itself and 4 is also divisible by 2, so the LCM is the greater number, which is 4. Now we have to take the multiple of 2, that is 2 times 2 equals to 4, so we have to multiply 1 to 2 plus 4 into 1, which is 4, so 3 into 1 into 8/3. 2 plus 3, 2 1 ja 2 and 3. We got 5. We solve firstly the bracket, and then it's 4 times 2 is 8. 5 2 ja 10, which is 10/3. And now we solve the RHS side. Firstly we have to solve the multiplication of both sides, and then we add. 2 times 4 is 8, which is 4/3, plus 3 1 ja 3, and 4 times 2 is 8, which is 2 1 ja 2. We have to take the LCM of 3 and 1. The LCM of 3 and 1 is 3, so we write the number 4 as same, and 1 into 3 is 3, so we multiply 2 into 3, 4 plus 6 upon 3. We got LHS side equal to RHS side. Okay, hence proved. Now move to the question number 7. Simplify the following using the distributive property. Question number 7. Distributive property says if we have a rational number a and multiplying, and there is two rational number in the bracket with operation addition or either subtraction. Firstly we have to multiply first rational number into second and take the sign which is given in bracket, and then again multiply the first rational number and the third rational number, which is a into c. Clear? Now the given question is 7/9, which is first rational number, and 6/7 minus 3/4. This is our first rational number, this is second, and this is third. And the distributive property here is over subtraction. Firstly we have to multiply first rational number into second, and then use the sign which is given in bracket, and then multiply 7/9 into 3/4. Now we have to divide 9 and 6 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, 7 times 1 is 7. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 7 into 1 is 7. 3 into 12, which is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, then we have to take the LCM of 3 and 12. The greater number is 12, and 3 divided the number 12, so the LCM is 12. 3 times 4 is 12, so we have to multiply 2 into 4, which is 8, and we wrote the number 7 as it is. 8 minus 7 is 1, which is 1/12. Okay, now this is our 8th question. Find the rational number x. We have to solve this given equation. Firstly we write down the given equation. Okay, we have to use the distributive property over addition. To 5 by 6 multiply by x, then use the symbol addition, use the symbol of addition. 5 by 6 into 3 by 5, and we write the LHS side is as it is. 5 times 1 is 5, 3 times 2 is 6. We got 1 by 2 equal to, we got the LHS side equal to RHS side. So here whenever this case occur, you have to put the any value of rational number in place of x. In case LHS side equal to RHS, so any rational number can be substituted in place of x, so that given equation become satisfied. ओके क्लियर। अगर हम यहाँ पे x के प्लेस पे कोई भी रेशनल नंबर रखें, 1 रखें, 2 रखें, -1/2 रखें, कुछ भी रखें, तो हमें दोनों साइड सेम ही मिलने वाली है। तो यहाँ पर रेशनल नंबर x की वैल्यू कोई भी रेशनल नंबर हो सकता है। ओके।